Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 2005 Cadillac XLR. Ooh! The 4.6-liter dual overhead cam NorthStar V8 is pretty cool with the 5-speed automatic transmission, satin nickel exterior, power convertible hardtop, and the leather, it's Shale.
Shale leather.
Shale leather interior with heated seats. It's got keyless entry, touchscreen head unit, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Very neat. Power trunk, premium Bose sound system. It's got a great aftermarket exhaust. And this car has only got 51,300 beautiful miles.
Which
isn't
very many miles.
No, it's not. And the interior is Shale.
Look at that trunk.
How about that power trunk?
Pretty cool. You have this little divider that I think you need this up for the top to work.
You
so we're gonna leave that.
You do. And ladies and gentlemen, it's still a Cadillac, but you can't fit a lot of stuff in it.
No, especially when the top is taking up that entire space. Not a lot of things. Yeah, and there's even a button there, and it closes on its own. You can kind of see the aftermarket exhaust. I don't think these came with tips like that.
No, they did. But boy, it's a pretty slick car, isn't it?
I think they look really cool, actually.
Actually, it is really cool.
Based on the Corvette chassis, but it's not a Corvette like most people think. It does have the NorthStar.
But look, it's got this.
Yeah, it's got like the C6 style door handles with the electric
button
poppers.
down here. So it's like those guys in Bowling Green that built this car. Just got a lot of Corvette parts.
Yeah, this was built in Bowling Green, Kentucky with the Corvettes.
I love it. And I like the Shale.
More comfortable.
Very. I can get in without moving my head, like tilting down.
More comfortable seats.
Very nice big wheels,
ride.
big silver. Should we take the top down and start her up?
Yeah, start it up and let's see this power top. Rumbly exhaust. There's the NorthStar badge. Oh, things are happening. So that's opening up. Oh, and there goes the top. That's crazy how that folds back there. Oh, and another whole piece comes out to cover it up. And more pieces. This is insane. I've never watched this from the outside of the car. I've always been sitting in there. That was incredible.
It's weird on the inside, I won't tell you that much.
That was cool. Big old Cadillac wheels, big brakes too. Give it a good rev from the back, I want to hear it. Pretty good. Pretty good. Here's your microphone.
Doesn't sound like any Cadillac I've ever seen.
No, it doesn't really sound like a Cadillac, but that could be a good thing. Oh, good horn.
Nice horn.
Nice horn, yeah. We're going to put our seatbelts on.
For safety.
We have them. Real modern seatbelts.
For modern people like we are. We're pretty modern.
Yeah. Some more than others.
We're hipsters.
You also got nice big cup holders down here with the wood grain on the console and the wooden on the shifter. There's the button for your top, and it's traction control front and center. Oh. Because I guess Cadillac knows how to party.
These fellas know how to party, that's for sure.
They do now. They're making the black wing and all these awesome cars.
Oh, yeah.
But this was kind of like the sporty, fast Cadillac from back in the day. There's Chris. He's our GM.
He's good people.
He is good people. You also have the touchscreen head unit up here.
There's Sarah. She's also good people.
She is also good people. She said have fun.
Not too much fun, though.
Yeah,
Heads
not
up
too much.
Display School.
Yeah, that's basically, it looks like the same thing you get in like a C6.
It does.
Or any other Chevy from this era. Which means it works. I think they work well. You got a CD and DVD player, it looks like. Wow, you could watch movies in here.
Neat.
You have your info button here. You can scroll through all sorts of stuff. You do have heads-up display. I'm not sure if I'll be able to see it on camera.
It's very faint.
But in person, you can see it just fine. Here we go. Flip this up.
Oh, wow.
It sounds cool.
Wow. It sounds like it wants to punch you in your face. It's great. Love it. Oh, I do. I like the wood. I like everything.
Yeah, the steering wheel looks luxurious compared to the Corvette counterparts. The start button looks exactly the same as the one in the C6 Corvette. You'll see little hints of C6 Corvette when you're driving this.
All over the door.
All over the place. Now this is 05. So this would have been the first year for the C6.
It would have been.
So they were probably sharing quite a few parts. Chassis, a lot of it's derived from the Corvette. So it rides really nice. Rides sporty.
It's got a 6-disc changer, is that right? It says 1 through 6.
Oh, it might.
Wow.
I thought it was just a normal CD player.
I love it.
But these big leather seats, way better than the Corvette ones.
Oh yeah.
You got storage here. This button here actually is the same as the one on the, what is it, the Satin Sky that we have.
Oh yeah.
It pops out and it twists open.
GM's just always sharing parts.
They are sharing parts.
They're part shares.
And you also got more storage here, cigarette lighter in there, so you can charge your phone.
Right.
There's not actually a cigarette lighter in it like the old cars, so you can't take up smoking.
No smoking,
But don't
kids.
smoke anyway, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes, and this will actually smoke tires.
She'll roast them.
Makes plenty of power to do that. And then you have all your AC controls down here. They're all physical buttons. Heated seats, by the way.
Ooh.
Isn't that incredible? Front and rear window defrogger.
Love it. Love the defrogs.
We don't need the AC today, though, because it's actually not hot out.
Yes.
It was only supposed to get up to 70 today,
Maybe 70.
but mid-60s all week, and I'm loving it.
Loving it.
But it's still warm enough to have this top down, which is nice.
But you had to put it down. I
and
mean,
it's
come
power.
on. It's fall. It's Missouri.
Unlike the C5 Corvette that had the manual top, and they were soft tops.
Boo.
Same with the C6. It's power, but it's a soft top. This is a power hardtop, which means
great.
it takes away the main reason why I don't like most convertibles is because they look terrible with the top up.
Yes, this one looks the same. It
This looks
like
incredible with the top up because it doesn't even look like a convertible. It just looks like a hardtop car, which I love.
What is that on the... I can't really read it. What is that on the speedometer above it? BVLGARI?
I don't know what that means. I'll have to look into that.
We're going to have to look into that, by God, because I want to know.
Maybe that's
There's
named
not a
for
lot
something.
going on with the instrumentation panel, but everything, it's everything you need.
Is the electronical tiltiness?
Oh, it's electronical tiltiness and telescopics.
Oh, electronic tilting and telescopics.
Isn't it nice?
It is nice. Here, we'll wait for this other Cadillac to go out ahead of us over there, making a left, I think. Or we'll just go, because this guy's making a left. Bean test. Oh, nice. This thing sounds good.
Great brakes.
They have really good brakes. Obviously,
Man.
power discs.
Oh, yeah.
In 05.
Oh, this is nice.
And they're pretty
so
big
much.
disc brakes. I showed them in the little walk around.
Did you?
They really fill out the inside of those wheels.
51,000 miles.
Not bad.
Not bad
Yeah,
at
this
all.
thing scoots. Not as fast as the C6.
No.
But
No.
it's
Way more comfortable.
More toward the comfort end of the spectrum.
It's for older people like myself.
And I think this aftermarket exhaust is the perfect modification because it's not super loud. I'm sure if we had the top up and the windows up, it wouldn't be bad, but it does sound way better than it would have from factory.
And it's a nice car.
It is really
It's
nice.
a Cadillac.
It was very well maintained, obviously. The seats aren't cracked anywhere or nothing.
Love
The dash is in great condition. Looks amazing.
I like the little Cadillac
Oh, and you have
symbol.
programmable garage door buttons up there.
You know how much he loves that, folks.
I do love that.
Now
You really
this
do.
is a lighter for smoking.
Oh, there is another lighter. I didn't even notice there's one up there.
I just noticed.
Yeah. So you have 2 cigarette lighters. You can charge 2 phones at once.
2.
Crazy. You ready for flybys?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
There he goes. Polarized sunglasses, for the love of Pete. There he goes. Well. Jake decided to earn his money today by really putting his foot in it. Good for you, Jake. He's using a signal. Oh my God, I'm so proud of him. Here he comes. It's going to be a really fun drive back. Whew. Good gravy. This thing's moving.
This is quite simply a lovely car.
It is.
And when you shift it over in the manual mode, the gear you're in shows up on the heads-up display.
Ah.
Which is kind of cool. I was wondering, because I was looking at the dash like, what is it? It's not telling me what gear I'm in. It's because it's up there.
It's up there.
But this thing sounds good, doesn't it?
Sounds great. You'll love it when you hear it.
Supremely comfortable.
Oh, God. So much better.
I do like it a lot.
I do, too.
And it's a cool color combo. I mean, it's kind of very Cadillac-y. Shale and satin nickel exterior.
Shale
But
leather.
I think it's a cool car, and it's a very nice car.
I think so, too. You ready to go back?
I am.
Let's go.